Are you looking for an online GCSE course to support your revision and help you prepare for exam success? Then take a look at the free samples of our comprehensive and easy to follow English language and English literature GCSE video course. The content in our course has been developed for all levels of student, with lessons ranging from language, style and technique to literature, prose, poetry and drama. I will be your tutor and guide as we cover the key areas of revision and provide the skills you will need to help you pass your exams. By simply watching along at home, you'll be building your confidence, your understanding and your knowledge of English specifically for this year's GCSE syllabus. We break down important, high-scoring concepts and exam-winning skills into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons. Click the link to see our full course content. You'll be able to take a look at some free sample videos and decide for yourself if revising with us alongside your classroom learning will improve your chances of passing your exams.